Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. So the topic that we will discuss today, it is about the vitamins. That what does mean by the vitamins, who does discover them, and what are the types of vitamins. Let's start the topic. First month, word vitamins. We all just listen that word. We need the vitamins. Now, vitamins, these are the essential organic compounds. If they are organic compounds, it's mean they contain carbon and hydrogen in them, as these are organic compounds, and they are needed in very small amount in our diet or in the form of food that we take. So both are required just to prevent the deficiency and to support the optimal health. It's mean for the optimal growth of the human beings, we need some organic compounds in a very minute quantity. These are known as vitamins. So vitamins has been derived from the word vita and mines. So it's mean vital amines. Vital means essential for the life, that is compulsory for the life, that is more important for the life. And amines, these compounds that contain an amine functional group. So that's why they are known as vitamins. And what is the amine group? NH2 group, it is known as the amine group. This group, when attached to the any alkyl group, this is known as the amine group. So, from where we can gain the vitamins? Basically, we can gain the vitamins from different fruits, from different vegetables, from nuts, and etc. All they provide us the vitamins in a adequate amount. Now let's start that who just discovered the vitamins. Here we have the discovery of vitamins. In the year 1912, there was a scientist, Polish American. His name was Casimir Funk, and along with a scientist whose name was Hopkins, in 1912, they coined the term which is known as vitamins. So, where did they get vitamin? They just say that we have seen the remarkable advancement in our understanding of the vitamins from their work, and all these discoveries just help us as the beneficial for health, as these vitamins are required for the life in a better way to be continued. In addition to that, when he discovered vitamins, he just say that along with carbohydrates, that are the macromolecules, along with the proteins and fats, there are other some substances that we need for the normal growth. So they are necessary for the normal growth, although these substances we required in a very small amount or very small quantity, as they are very important. So that's why these substances named first as the accessory growth factors. They are also known as accessory growth factors. As they are known as the accessory growth factors, so that's why they are named as the vitamins. So it was the main work of the Funk who just named these substances as vitamins. Along with that, he discovered a type of the vitamins which is known as the vitamin B1, and this is mainly known as the thiamine. So this is the name of the vitamin which is thiamine. It was discovered by the Funk, and the name was also given to this. Along with the Hopkins just said that these are known as the accessory growth factors that are required for the normal growth of the human beings. Let's have a look on the types of the vitamins. If we talk about the types, we have two types of vitamins. The number one type we have water soluble vitamins, and the second type we have fat soluble vitamins. So here the fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins, the main difference is that all the vitamins that get dissolved in water, these vitamins are known as fat soluble vitamins. On the other hand, these are water soluble vitamins. On the other hand, the all vitamins that get dissolved in fat, these are known as fat soluble vitamins. And we have two forms of water soluble vitamins. The number one, which is vitamin B group, which contain from B1 to B6, B12, and etc. And here we have the vitamin C. This is also known as the water soluble vitamins. The fat soluble vitamins, we have four types. Number one is vitamin A, second type is vitamin D, third is vitamin E, and the fourth one is vitamin K. So when we talk about the fat soluble vitamins, when we take the fat soluble vitamins in large quantity, then what does happen? They started to accumulate in the body and they started to cause the diseases. So that's why we need an adequate amount of these vitamins for the proper growth. For example, if here we have the vitamin D, if it started to accumulate in the body, then it causes the bone pain and the bone like deposits in the kidney. So this is the drawback if we take these in large quantity. On the other hand, when we talk about the water soluble vitamins, as they are soluble in water, so that's why they are water soluble vitamins. And if these vitamins are taken in large quantity, then there is no harm, because if they are taken in large quantity, then they will be removed from the body. However, if they are deficient in the body, then they can cause the diseases. As deficiency of both water soluble and fat soluble vitamins cause the diseases, but we must take there an adequate amount or the normal amount or the normal range for the proper growth. So this was the simple types of the vitamins we have. I hope you guys understand, and if you have any queries, you may ask me about that in the comment section, and I will get back to you guys soon. The next topic that we will discuss, it is the sources and the uses of the vitamins, that from where we can gain the vitamins in a proper way. For that time, you guys keep learning and have a good day.